God damn. I bet you anything Ashley's texting me right now.
See why I need a Timmy shit?
See what I tell you, bro.
Again, huh? My shit slowed the fuck down.
She said, that's loud. God damn.
Right?